Hello and welcome to our new video where I present you how to download, install and configure the virtual machine software provided by Oracle VirtualBox on a Windows 10 operating system. But first, let's explain what a virtual machine is. A virtual machine is a software environment that emulates a computer system on a physical one. Basically, it allows us to run a separate machine as an app on our real machine. For example, if we need a Windows 8 operating system for some tests, no need to reinstall the operating system on our physical machine. You can do that by configuring and installing it on VirtualBox. The same thing can be done with other operating systems. VirtualBox supports systems like Ubuntu, macOS, or Solaris, and many more. Now that we have this all behind us, let's start. But before that, if you are new to our channel, hi and welcome. This is the place for you if you want to understand and learn more about SQL. So be sure to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notification so you don't miss out on our new videos. Now, open your favorite web browser and search for VirtualBox. Choose Downloads. Depending on your host operating system, you need to choose one of these options. In our case, it will be Windows. After clicking on this option, you can see that the download of the VirtualBox has started. Once the executable file has finished downloading, you can click on it and the installer will pop up. Now press yes. Next, leave it like this, and next, yes, and install. Click Finish and VirtualBox will appear. This is how VirtualBox looks like. Now, you can add a new virtual machine by pressing New. Here we can type the name of the virtual machine, the location where it will be saved, now depending on the operating system that will be installed on the machine, choose the type, in our case Microsoft Windows, and the version Windows 10 64-bit. To decide on the amount of RAM you want to configure here, you'll need to look at the specification of the software that will be installed on this machine. In our case, it's SQL Server Management Studio 2019. They recommend here a minimum of 4 GB of RAM, and we will need 6 GB of hard disk. Let's go back to VirtualBox. Choose 4 GB, create a virtual hard disk now, and create. Now choose the file location. The size of the hard disk 50 GB, it's okay. Choose the first option and dynamically allocate it. And now press Create. Now you can see that our virtual machine is created, but in order to make it fully functional, we need to install an operating system. In order to make that happen, we'll need to map the optical drive of the virtual machine to the image of the operating system we want to install. And we'll do that by clicking in the storage section on optical drive, choose disk image, and add. Now choose the image of the operating system that will be installed. In our case, Microsoft Windows 10. Open. Now press choose. And we're ready to start. And we can start the virtual machine by pressing the start button. The installer of Windows 10 will appear on screen. We choose English. Now we'll leave it default like this. Click Next. Install now. We will choose the 64-bit version. Next. Accept Next. Choose Custom. Install Windows only. And now select the partition where it should be installed and press Next. So the installation begins now. We'll choose English here. Next. Accept. Use Express settings. Now click I own it. Next. Skip this step. Let's give it a name and a password. And click Next. This was it. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helped you in downloading, installing, and configuring your virtual machine. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. See you on the next video, and don't forget to be a hero.